In today's tutorial, we will learn how to convert number to Word in Microsoft Excel. This can be incredibly handy for invoice, check or any other documents where you need to represent number in Word. So let's get started. The first step is to open your Microsoft Excel worksheet. Make sure you have the number you want to convert in Excel. For this demonstration, I will make here the sum number like the 40 or 6, this one, or I can just this one. Now I will convert this number into the Word. To convert number to Word, we will be using the macro. So let's make sure macros are enabled, and you can find it by developer and use the Visual Basic in there, and from there let me use the new modules, and here I will use the and make it macros or VBA code, so you can easily copy this code. So it is in your description here. That what I am gonna do, I am gonna paste in there. So let me use and paste in here. Now what I am gonna do, I am gonna write here the spell. Now here you can find this gives me this one, use the tag. Now selecting this one, then close it, hit on the OK. So when I use the spell and the code, now you can see it gives me here like the $456 and there is no cent. Okay, now if I use here like the 67, what happened? Now you can see it gives the result $456.67. okay, by with the just dragging down you can get the word in there by using the spell function or spell number function in your Excel. So by using the code with the VBA editor, you can easily get this function to convert the word to the text. Okay, so and there you have it. You have learned how to convert numbers to word in Microsoft Excel using VBA macros. This can be incredibly useful in various functions or various financial and accounting tasks. Thanks for watching.